Hello everyone, I am Kavya. Today I will be explaining what Android apps are, how they work, and the main differences between Android and iOS apps. Let's start by understanding what Android apps actually are. Android apps are applications designed specifically for Android devices. They can be used on smartphones, tablets, watches, etc. They are built using Java or Kotlin and run on the Android OS, which can be downloaded from Google Play Store. These apps are used in everyday activities like messaging, maps, shopping, or entertainment. Now that we know what Android apps are, let's look at how they actually work. Every Android app interacts with Android operating systems, which uses activities, services, and UI components to run the app smoothly. And the Android operating system, which accesses phone features like camera, GPS, storage. Now, let's compare Android apps with iOS apps. Android apps run on Android OS and iOS apps run on iOS. Android apps are built using Java or Kotlin. iOS apps are built using Swift or Objective C. Android apps can be downloaded from Google Play Store, while iOS apps are available on Apple App Store. Android runs on many devices like Samsung, Vivo, while iOS apps run only on Apple devices. Android allows more customization while iOS has a very strict and controlled environment. Let's understand these differences in simple real life examples. Here, WhatsApp, Paytm, PhonePe are built for Android, and FaceTime, iMessage, Apple Wallet are built for iOS. And some apps like Instagram, YouTube, Facebook are built for both platforms. Finally, let's summarize everything. Android apps offer flexibility, widely used, and customizable. iOS apps are secure, smooth, and optimized. Both have their own strength and unique ecosystem. Thank you.